Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In this video, let's learn how to convert an Excel file to PDF. Let's begin. Open your browser. Into the search box, type I love PDF, or you can type www.ilovepdf.com. Here, click on the first link. Next step. Here you will find different options available. PDF to Excel, Word to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, and many other. To convert Excel to PDF, click on this option. When you click on this option, you will find a page written Convert Excel to PDF. Click on Select Excel Files option. Using this option, you can select your file which you want to convert to PDF. Open your file you want to convert to PDF. Select the file. Click on Open. If you want to delete any of the file, you can use this Remove option. Next step, the final step is to click on Convert to PDF. Into seconds, the file will be converted into PDF. Here you will find Excel file has been converted to PDF. Towards the left bottom, you will find the file is downloaded automatically. If not, you can click on Download PDF to download the file which is converted to PDF. Click on the arrow button, click Show in Folder, and here is the file converted to PDF. Double click the file to open, and here is an Excel sheet which is converted to PDF file. So this is saved into Downloads. You can copy and paste it to the location you want. This was all about how to convert Excel file to PDF. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, which is Infinite Learnopedia. Thank you for watching.